Hello, this is Rob with Paramount Construction. We'll be building a new home on this 12,400 square foot flat lot in the town of Somerset in Chevy Chase. The address is 5529 Surrey Street. The property is located very close to Washington, D.C., Friendship Heights, and downtown Bethesda. This existing home will be removed and we'll design a custom home on the lot. The price of the home and lot will start at $2.7 million, and the price will depend on the size and the finishes of the home we built. If you'd like to tour the lot, I'm happy to meet today. When we meet at the lot, you can walk this very large lot and we can discuss financing options, home design, home prices, and overall timing for the design, permitting, and construction of the new home. Here are a few home plans we've laid out on the lot for other prospective buyers, and we're happy to create a custom plan and price just for you. When we meet, we can discuss having Kevin, our Vice President of Architecture, and our secret weapon, create a custom home plan just for you on the lot. Usually takes us 4 or 5 days to create your custom plan and calculate the price of the home. I look forward to meeting you at the property today. Also, if you're looking at other areas, we have many other building lots in Arlington, Bethesda, Chevy Chase, Falls Church, McLean, and Northwest DC. We can discuss these when we meet at the lot, and I look forward to talking to you soon.